Welcome to Tech Solutions. Today, we're tightening up Linux Mint 22 and turning it into a system you can trust every single day. Mint is already stable and friendly, but a few smart tweaks make it safer against everyday threats. Nothing fancy, nothing theoretical. Everything we do is tested, practical, and works directly from the terminal. The whole goal here is simple: lock down the basics without breaking the Mint experience. We start with system updates because outdated libraries are the easiest way for malware or exploits to slip in. Mint uses Ubuntu as a base, so the update tools are fast and reliable. Once the system is fresh, then it makes sense to add other protections. Next comes the firewall. Mint includes UFW by default, but keeps it disabled. You're basically running with the front door wide open. We enable it and leave it in default mode, which blocks incoming connections and lets your normal browsing work exactly as before. This one change alone closes off a long list of risks. After that, we add Fail to Ban, which protects you if you ever install SSH or run any service that can be poked from outside. Even if you don't plan to host anything, installing Fail to Ban is harmless and future-proof. It automatically bans IPs that keep trying wrong passwords or repeated requests. Then we clean up Mint by reviewing AppArmor, the built-in mandatory access control system. It's already active, but switching profiles from Complain to Enforce ensures apps can't wander into places they shouldn't. This is invisible security. No slowdown, no pop-ups, just smarter containment. We also harden the system by removing useless packages. Most Linux installs come with a few services you never use, like Bluetooth on a desktop machine or guest session support. Disabling unused services reduces attack surface and gives your system a tighter footprint. Once the system is lean, we look at secure boot and kernel hardening.